Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will share it to you another program that I wrote I guess 11 years ago or 12 years ago, no, while I'm working in a university as a part-time IT instructor teaching C++ programming. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I wrote this program that will ask the user to give the student name, age, prelim, midterm, and end term grade, and then it will compute the grade, no, using function and pointers. So we will call this program grade solver using pointers in C++. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let's start discussing, no, how the code works. Now we have 80 lines of code, no. So we have here IOStream, sharp include IOStream. It is a library file for input output in C++. Sharp include string for string manipulation. Sharp IO manip or input output manipulator for decimal places and set with using namespace. And then here I declare a structure. A structure is similar to record in other programming language like Pascal, no. Student, we have name, string name, age, float, prelim, midterm, and end term. When we say float, we are referring to a data type that can accept decimal values like 7.5, 12.34, so on and so forth. Float compute underscore grade is a function that I declare. Float asterisk prelim, pointer, midterm, end term. Begin, float, solve, string remark, solve, assuming that a prelim period is 30%, midterm 30%, and end term is 40%. Asterisk prelim asterisk 30 plus midterm asterisk 30 plus end term asterisk 40. And then we have here a remark using if else statement in C++. If solve greater than equal to 75, remarks is pass if it is true, the student pass, else if it is failed. So we have here fix, set position, we set to 0, and then we have here the output, no. The student grade is solved, spacing 10, remark set with 3, remark return 0. So we have here line number 41. It is the main function, starting point of the execution of our C++ program. And then we have here student user. We create an object here in OOP user float my pointer. So we have here the title, my grade solver using pointers in C++, new line created by yours truly, Mr. Jake R. Pomperada, MAID IT MIT. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give the username that will be stored in user.name, enter age of the student, prelim grade. We have here my pointer, midterm grade, end term grade. And then we have here the generated report. We display the student name, age, and then we call the function, and then we pass 3 passing parameters: prelim grade, user prelim, user midterm, and end term, new line, and pen pause, and then we close our main function. I know guys, no, the program is quite long, but don't worry, because I will put a link, no, in the video description so that you can download, no, the code or copy, and then you can study and use this program. Okay, so let us compile and run so that we can see the result. Okay, our program is running. Grade solver using pointers in C++, created by Mr. Jake R. Pomperada, MAID IT MIT. Enter name of the student. Let's say Juliana, name of my daughter Juliana Ray Pomperada. Age 19, prelim grade 90, midterm 83, end term 99. So student generated report. Student name Juliana Ray Pomperada, age 19, student grade is 92, remarks passed. Press any key to continue. How about if the student as a failing grade. Let's say for example, Juan de la Cruz, age 21, prelim 72, midterms 68, final and term we have 71. So generated report, student name Juan de la Cruz, student age 21, student grade is 70 remarks, failed. Press any key to continue. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on grade solver using pointers in C++. What we have learned in this sample program is that we learned how to declare variables, use of IO manip, use of structure command in C++, and then most importantly we can able to use the pointers. That is very important in programming in C++. It makes our program faster in terms of execution and efficient. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.